She sleep. Let's go, baby. Huh? Over there? What's up there? Just to hang up? Oh, this is cool. This one has sand too. Do they all have sand?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a way to walk down there with the view. Yeah. Oh, look, what's that? Just heard something run away. It's nice. It's cool.
Then why is there sand here?
Well, look at this walkway, Ronan. You can fit in.
Remember? That's, he walks through this way from the other side.
Oh, yeah.
Wait,
I forgot. Let's check.
That one goes to the other side.
That's a little.
Yeah, little place.
Ooh, this wood is good
For burning.
wood. Make a fire.
Oh, is this the campsite that we like?
This can be no way, like.
You remember this place?
No.
This is where we camped before.
Really?
Ooh. This is our favorite site.
This is our favorite site.
Yeah, this is where we
Ooh.
camped a lot.
Wait.
Okay, let's go. Eagle Creek Trail. All right, let's go. Actually, but we should book that for next summer for sure.
No, the big one?
Our spot, that spot. You're in my spot. I know, right? Whoa. So oh, there's a trail that way too.
More sand. I see more sand.
Sand? Nice.
These were really close and this sand is
Soft?
smooth and soft.
Yeah. Hmm?
The camera's getting dusty.
Uh-oh. I think I just ordered lens wiper thing.
Let me go with that.
What is it? Oh, nice. Look, running in the front. Don't touch him. Hold on. There's a lizard.
I want to get a different one because it's like this. Because it's gonna see us. Take a picture.
And then you're gonna scare it right there. Okay, go there. Wow. Hey, Ronna, careful. You're gonna fall right here. Well, this reminds me of science camp. Oh.
Yeah?
Can you come here?
Yeah.
Mommy, can you jump?
No.
Mommy, it's really deep there.
Yeah, you're gonna need help here.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Hold
You
on.
just have to, you're gonna have to like go like that, but I'll hold you.
Mommy?
Ronan, I think it gets deep over there, Bebe.
That part.
Like on the where the tree is.
Oh, it's just pointing down.
You want to get down.
Okay. Oh, it just drags you that way.
I found a broken shell.
She's drooling, she's watching. Ooh, you're digging. She's digging for fossils. Ronan, you want to swim or no? Oh, that was a good one.
Whoa, I saw that one.
Yeah, go throw it. She has a flat one. Throw it, throw it. Throw it in the water. Throw it, throw it. Where you going?
Mommy,
Whoa.
to rest. I want to do this. You can do that.
What was that?
need that.
Yeah. Whoa, I can see my breath. That's how cold it is? Oh, the heck? Can look out the door, yeah. What's wrong, baby? What's in here? Can't see. Where's Ronan? Ronan, did you fall asleep? Ronan, did you fall asleep? Hey, no brownies until you eat fried rice.
Per your request, Roni.
Oh, dang, nice. This is what he wanted. This is what he asked for his birthday.
Should I get it?
That's a lot. Is that for him?
Yeah, but I mean, we need to start cooking the steak. So I'm just trying to cook.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'll put. Yeah, I'll put them in something else too. I brought my cup too somewhere.
Oh, okay. Because we can put it back in there, but it's
actually,
hot right
that's
now. Yeah, that's
need a
why
big
it
container.
might not fit in this one.
Oh, is this the time with the bats? Are there bats here?
I mean, there should be.
Okay, let's go. Let's go look for bats. Look for bats. I can't see in front of me. Whoa, it's foggy out there. What are those? Oh my gosh. What are those? Oh my gosh. Someone's living here. Oh wait, those are mommy's socks and shoes.
Roni? I have your fried rice that you wanna eat now?
And then you eat and then you can have your...
And you can have a brownie and a marshmallow. It's not water.
Hey, the yellow jackets are here already.
you just put this on?
Can you see?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, don't drop it, Bruce.
Now?
Yeah. Before it gets too hot.
Mommy, can you do it? I think it's too hot.
You wanted to do it.
But
Oh yeah, do it from up there. Okay, go.
Put it in different spots, okay? Not from high up like that.
Birthday pancakes.
It's hot.
can I do it?
Some water. Is your cup going big? Don't forget this one. Okay?
Pick up from Monday and just fly.